आज हम जा रहे हैं एक टेम्पल, एक गणेश टेम्पल है.
Since I'm married to be time like this. So many people.
Don't tell me this is line like one.
This is line. Gita. See line.
If from inside you have hatred for others, no matter who, so same thing will come back to you. If you have love and kindness for everyone, same thing will come back to you. नमस्ते दोस्तों, ये नई वीडियो में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और शुभ प्रभात.
It's good afternoon.
आज ओके. आज हम जा रहे हैं एक टेम्पल, एक गणेश टेम्पल है. बहुत फेमस है पुणे
में. हाँ.
पुणे में बहुत
मराठी. हाँ.
पुणे में बहुत फेमस है. और आज मैं दिखाऊंगी कैसे टेम्पल है. सो अभी तक से बुक कर ले.
टैक्सी बुक
केले.
केले इज मराठी.
Yeah.
But it's mixing Marathi, Hindi, whatever she want to speak, she's speaking. It's okay.
अभी टैक्सी बुक केले. और waiting. What is waiting? I forgot. I know.
मी वाट बघत आहे in मराठी. मैं वेट कर रही हूँ.
और अभी इंतजार कर रही हूँ. और बाद में दूमी दिखाऊंगी कैसे टेम्पल है.
और गाइस बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे कि they were asking how is your leg.
What is this? What is this?
I forgot. So उस दिन बेटा ट्रैम्पोलिन से गिर गई थी ना.
I will say.
Okay. 3-4 दिन बहुत पेन कर रहा था. अभी ठीक है, मतलब उतना नहीं, अभी ठीक ठाक है. Now is good ना.
अभी ठीक ठाक है. बहुत ज्यादा दर्द से.
हाँ, दर्द.
बहुत ज्यादा दर्द था उस टाइम. Like I suddenly fell down. I didn't know I'll go this much up and I'll fall down. And when I fall,
बेटा ने उनको बोला था कि पहले तुम ट्राई करके दिखाओ मुझे, लेकिन उन्होंने बोला नहीं. They showed one वीडियो दिखा रहे, देखो ऐसा है. तो मतलब उनको भी कुछ तो पता था कि मतलब कुछ तो रॉन्ग है. और
the balls there also were बहुत कम ही था.
बहुत कम थे मतलब.
So when I went up and I came down, one of my legs fell on the ground.
So hard.
To the ground.
Not ground, something like.
I was like, I remember myself. I became like this.
I was crying.
Then I started to cry. I saw like. Now I don't care. I have to cry. So much it was painful. And at starting I was feeling कि my leg got broken. So उसके बाद मैं I remembered how to say.
What do you want to say?
I remembered that at starting when you go to this type of parks, you have to sign something. So we already signed, so that there is mentioned that they don't have any responsibility.
So guys, बेटा इस बार गणपति फेस्टिवल में यहाँ पे सोसाइटी में डांस करने वाली है.
Last year I didn't do.
Last year Beta did.
Yeah. This year also I didn't want to do due to some reasons.
Not to say.
Also I didn't like behavior of people.
No, not to say.
So guys, last year I didn't do dance, but first year we came to this society I did. Now this year I didn't want to do. I am just doing because of recording.
You want to record also?
Otherwise,
they may stage also. They are putting picture and this thing. No. अभी हम जाने वाले हैं दगड़ूशेठ गणपति. दगड़ूशेठ.
We went ना first time.
जब हम मिले थे ना फर्स्ट टाइम, जब हम पुणे में आए थे तो पहला हमारा स्पॉट था यही था, ये दगड़ूशेठ गणपति.
Yeah, so it's our second time.
With my sister we went. My sister and her friend.
I think 3 years ago.
3 years ago, 2022.
Yeah,
in May. May.
You know which day?
Date I don't remember exact, but maybe 21.
It was Sunday.
Sunday I know.
22.
Oh, 22. I was near.
22.
I said 21.
Yeah, because on 20 May I came. 21 we traveled to come to
from Mumbai to Pune.
And 22 was Sunday. We came to
morning we went to
Yeah.
the temple. It's good. लेकिन बहुत रश होता है वहाँ पे, लेकिन अभी पता
I'm not
नहीं.
remembering lot also because very fast.
Well, I'll tell you, you'll remember. Actually, we were taking
I
one.
remember. They were
Uh.
saying you don't take picture. Don't show your
This one,
back.
because we were taking one picture, they were like, why you are showing back to Ganpati? They were so angry, that the security guard was so angry. I was like, what we are doing? We are just taking picture. You're like, we should not show back to Ganpati. I was like, okay.
I was
You are so
shocked. What
angry.
is he saying? I thought something is wrong. He's trying to fight, but then after
Then
that,
I said,
one
okay.
translated.
I should not say anything because everyone have different beliefs. Lot of people are taking picture, लेकिन वो हमें बोल रहा था कि मतलब आप ऐसे पिक्चर क्यों ले रहे हो? पता नहीं मतलब क्या रॉन्ग था उसके. जान दो अभी. So guys, हम आ गए यहाँ पे डाउट शेट गणपति के पास. कितने पोस्टर लगाए, मतलब हर जगह ये गणपति है. चलो बेटा टॉयलेट के लिए गए यहाँ पे. पिछली बार हम आए थे ना, यहाँ पे टॉयलेट भी नहीं था. मतलब लेकिन अच्छी बात है कि इस बार उन्हें टॉयलेट भी मतलब बाजू में रखा है. साइड में एक पेड़ है लेकिन अच्छा है, मतलब ठीक ठाक है. बेटा यू वांट टू बाय इफ यू वांट टू बाय. अरे
So guys, अभी आ गए, अभी पहुंच
अरे।
गए और
बहुत ट्रैफिक है सारे यहाँ पे. पू मतलब
I think
सब
it's
हॉर्न बजा रहे हैं.
Saturday,
नो टुडे
Sunday.
इज थर्सडे.
No, I'm saying
Ah.
Saturday, Sunday. I think it's crazy.
हाँ.
Like no one
Good.
can walk also. No?
अरे now also
But I
auto is not
wonder-
going near temple.
I
We have to
wonder
go by walk.
Why Ganesh Chaturthi is so famous in Maharashtra?
Because it started from Maharashtra.
Oh, but other places.
Other places also they celebrate, but it's like
Less.
festival for Maharashtra especially.
Ha.
And in especially Konkan, Pune, Mumbai, they celebrate a lot.
Wow. I think we came here this bazaar.
अरे ये तुलसी बाग.
Tulsi Bagh.
तुलसी बाग है. अरे
Oh,
we came here a lot of times.
we came.
For bazaar and this thing.
Wait, I'll show.
Okay.
Guys, this is the bazaar in Tulsi Bagh. Everything you can find. This is sari, na? So beautiful. कितना है भैया?
500 जोडी.
300. In
One for 300.
wait. In near our house is 150. You don't
No, but
remember?
this one is so good.
How you know?
Color and thing.
Oh, like this we bought last time. You remember?
Oh, so hard. I don't know. Dancing.
Instagram, let's say.
How it is
Guys,
bitter.
at starting we thought that Ganpati is same Ganpati, but it was something else.
because यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गणपति है, मतलब कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. दौड़ से अलग है.
Also, one thing that is so amazing about India, in every see, every alley,
Rangoli.
in every alley, every place, every state, something you will find which is like wonderful and you never saw before.
You want to buy?
I can do by myself. with my hand. I don't need. Oh, this is good, huh?
अरे
What's it? You know, in Iran, gold shops are like prison.
हाँ.
Because everything became so expensive, so they make it like prison that it's like impossible. Kind of
Means they have lock. Only मतलब कैसे बताओ आपको, लॉक है. अगर वो लॉक खोलने तभी आप अंदर जा सकते हो, नहीं तो जा नहीं सकते अंदर.
Yeah.
I think we made one video on it, short video. मतलब ऐसा खुला नहीं रहेगा, लॉक रहेगा और ऐसे मतलब आयरन रहेगा सारी जगह पे, अंदर जा नहीं सकते आप डायरेक्टली। अगर वो अंदर से अलाउ करेंगे ना आने के लिए तभी आप अंदर जा
And
सकते
one
हैं।
thing you know, 70% of usage of gold is in India, in the world.
Everyone buy gold there.
70% of the world usage of gold is in India.
Most of people use for saving also, not only for buying.
Yeah, but whatever it is, I saw people use lot. Means everyone has gold, no one cares. Same thing, you cannot this much amount of gold if you keep with yourself on your neck or ears, they will take you also and gold.
Starting, I didn't understand.
So now we saw some woman. I was getting good vibes from one of them.
This one.
Yeah, she suddenly started asking me, where are you from? I said, Iran. Then she said, nice to meet you. How you feel in Pune? I said, it's been 3 years I am in Pune. Then she was saying this company is like very big and every year they celebrate so big here. I said, yes, 3 years ago I came here. Then she started to talk to Bhagwan like, do we Marathi Hindi yete? I said, Mala pan yete. Thoda sa. Then she got shocked. She's like, wow, so good. We took picture with each other and they went.
Very.
So let's go. Some people,
See this guy, small guy.
some people have good vibes.
Very.
I was getting good vibes from her. Now, let's go.
Everyone understand Bita is foreigner,
No,
लेकिन
it's
Bita को
not.
लगता है कोई नहीं पहचानता इसको, मतलब
She
foreigner है.
didn't understand.
She understood.
Yes, they
First
didn't.
question she asked, from which country you are?
Because she saw we are taking video in Farsi.
Maybe.
So she asked, where are you from? Yes, it's true. Then
No,
she
but
said,
I was speaking Farsi.
I know, but she said, you both. She
Really?
said, where you both are from? Yes.
No, to you she asked. Oh, so many people.
Ooh. No one knows I'm foreigner. If I'm wearing Indian dress, they will not understand.
If you are wearing Indian
Then she
dress,
said-
everyone will understand.
No, she said to her friends, she's foreigner. Otherwise, no one understands.
How we can go? So many people are standing in line, guys.
Police also is here.
अरे
Oh, all are in line?
अरे तो ये
Bhagwan. People are watching. Bhagwan.
so many
Where you
people.
took me?
This is
Don't tell me this is line, Bhagwan.
This is line. Gita, wait, I will show. Ganpati. Here, see. Dagdu Seth Halwai Ganpati. See line. See line. Gita.
Now we stand in line, next day it will be our time. And let's go fast. Oh, this is Modak.
This is Modak. I am saying let's make one video. We'll make Modak at home.
Yeah, we'll do. 1 second, give me.
गाइस बेटा बोल रहे कि मतलब कल शाम तक आ जाएगा अपना नंबर. So little bit will stand.
Tonight we will sleep here.
So many people. Whoop. From where line is starting?
And shops are also everywhere.
Eating things.
Here is what?
I don't know. They made, I think, structure. Something. From where we have to go?
Oh, this one is stamp.
Once you did in your hand, you remember? In Mumbai.
You don't remember. First time I came with my family, people were running behind us. Once they know we are foreigner, they were like, ma'am, ek. They were not leaving us. By force, they were putting in our hand. After that, they were saying, give this much money or buy this. But some of them were doing free also. Like, we were saying, no money, no money. They were like, it's okay, just one stamp.
Here also is Ganpati temple. This is, I think, the main Dagdu Seth Halwai Ganpati temple. That one is for this festival they made. Here only, I think, we are taking picture. See guys, from here line is starting and Ganpati's best.
next
Wait,
year.
wait. Woo.
And here they are putting coconut and flowers for selling. I want coconut for drinking. Now I'm craving. See how much modak they are selling. And
Guys,
Coconut.
Vita is not allowing me to eat modak because it's sweet.
I'm not allowing.
You are not allowing to.
But how much you want to eat sweets? Oof, when I see beggars, I get so sad. Some people are so old.
Everyone is doing business, something.
So, flowers also are there. See, guys? They are mixing flowers and coconut. But one question I have. They give on plastic, right? So that plastic, what will happen?
Which plastic?
See, they are selling on some plastics boxes.
No, they will take with them or directly they will give to them.
Means?
See, generally one pandit is there now, one
Oh,
pujari.
they will take the
They will
plastic.
give directly to them.
I understand. Otherwise, people will take and go. Okay. Oof, so many people. From here, line is like crazy. All the road is closed. See, this car is selling flower.
Oof. So many people.
My breath is going slowly.
How we can go?
But why police comes here?
Check, maybe something will happen.
Like what?
We don't know now. They will check, we will tell something will come.
It happened.
Maybe, we don't know. In Mumbai in past, like, 90s or something, that time used to happen, I think. They used to catch. In movies I saw, I don't know reality.
But now it's safe.
Now it's safe. I never heard anything happen in Pune. But in Mumbai, maybe something happened in past. I don't know.
When I saw that movie, I forgot. Hotel Mumbai.
Hotel Mumbai.
I cried a lot with that movie.
It's their job now, so they will take care of everything. Oh, if someone is for what? If someone rob phone or this thing,
Oh, it happened.
then what? You think what? We are living in USA or
But I
Europe?
found India more safe.
India is more safe than Iran. More, 100 times safer than
Robbery, I'm
robbery
saying.
and this thing.
Yeah.
Don't go, Vitul. Oh, from here they put some gate. This is line. We don't need to go inside. From outside only we'll pray.
So much line.
Really
If you
good.
want to go inside till tomorrow,
Vita is hungry now.
I want coconut.
इतनी लंबी लाइन है देखो. मैं बोला बेटा यहाँ से ही कर लो ब्रेक जो करना है ना.
So guys, we thought if we stand in line till tomorrow we are here. I don't know how in Saturday, Sunday people comes here. If now is Tuesday and this much
Thursday.
Thursday, sorry. And this many people are there. So we thought from here only we will pray and we will go. Shoes also will get lost. See? Really it will get lost. We have to go back without shoes. That is lemongrass. Oh, really?
रीनानाथ रणपिसे यांनी दत्त मंदिर पोलीस मदत केंद्र या ठिकाणी आहे.
Rudraksh.
Rudraksh Shank also. I don't know in English what they say.
He's making noise.
So guys, तो मुझे सिर्फ बेटा को दिखाना था कैसा रहता है, मतलब कि बेटा ने कभी देखा नहीं ऐसा, मतलब क्राउडी जैसा माहौल ना. आळंदी गए थे, वहाँ पे देखा था बेटा ने, मतलब एक रिलीजियस प्लेस है महाराष्ट्र में आळंदी बोल के, जो बाहर के लोग हैं उनको पता नहीं होगा। मुझे सिर्फ दिखाना था बेटा को, मतलब कैसा रहता है, मतलब कितने लोग आते हैं। फिर भी आज थर्सडे है, फिर भी बहुत सारी भीड़ है। आप घर से भी कर सकते हो प्रे, मतलब इतना कुछ नहीं है, मतलब क्योंकि यहाँ पे आपको अंदर नहीं जाने देते, सिर्फ बाहर से आप प्रे करेंगे निकल जाएंगे। और सबसे बड़ी बात, अगर आप अच्छे हो, आपका दिल अच्छा है, आप कहाँ से भी प्रे करोगे सब अच्छा ही होगा आपके लिए। अगर आप अच्छे हो ना तो सब अच्छा है। आई एम सेइंग इफ यू आर गुड एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड। If you pray from your home, if you pray for this God, or if you pray for energy, means whatever you will do, if you are good, your heart is good, so things also will be good.
Yeah, all is about our heart and
Our
One
thinking.
expression we have, my grandmother always used to say to me in Farsi, that we say, everyone eats bread of their heart. Means whatever is your heart, you will get same things in your life. Whatever you want from for others, or whatever you pray for others, same thing you will get in your life. If from inside you have hatred for others, no matter who, so same thing will come back to you. If you have love and kindness for everyone, same thing will come back to you. And I hope we will be more and more connected to our soul and love, and life is only that only.
True. So good. Oh, so good. See?
How they made like this?
They made now?
Means for what?
Just for show.
Oh, it's a movie.
One park we went. Which one?
I never saw before.
This one? काय दसऱ्याचं फळ? आय डोंट नो इन इंग्लिश व्हॉट टू
What
से.
they do with it?
कशासाठी वापरतात ती?
देवाला पूजेला.
फॉर गॉड दे यूज फॉर प्रेइंग. आय डोंट नो इन इंग्लिश हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन. So guys, if you know, tell us.
I thought it was fruit. What is it?
This one is saying Beta. Beta starting she was saying it's Hanuman. I was like, it's not Hanuman.
I thought
So good they made. One is sleeping. Tired. Really, but what it is Indian people means if you see they work a lot.
really. They are very hard-working people.
And thing is I feel people who are
I
working
saw-
hard they are not getting that much money.
No, they are not
Especially
getting
if
what they
people are
deserve.
from low background and this thing they are not getting that much money.
They are not getting what they deserve. I hope justice will come to the world. Some people are there who are doing nonsense things, but they are getting lot. And people who are workers and this thing, they don't have that much. So guys, it's around 4, so we thought to come and eat something. One restaurant was here, I was not getting good feeling. This one also, I don't know. I
We
hope-
don't know, but
I
it's
hope
mentioning
it's
South Indian, so let's see. Dosa will eat.
Guys, we just finished our food and we got Uber. We are waiting for the Uber to go back home. And maybe after 1 hour in society also it will start.
They want to
Today's-
sell different foods. Means people want to make and they want to sell in society.
Yeah.
We'll show
I
there
just
also.
remembered. Someone replied my story on Instagram in Farsi. And she's like, why this Bhagwan is always showing his teeth in pictures? I said, because he has very beautiful teeth. Really, I said.
Really?
I replied like this.
At starting, I was like this.
No, at
Then
starting,
Bita forced me. We were
he
like, what
didn't
is
know
this?
how to
Smile.
He was like,
And Bita said, ki, like, do like this. Then from that time, I was like this.
Your teeth are so beautiful.
Since I'm
Same
married,
like your heart.
since I'm married to bit, I'm like this.
Because I think I am also a person who laughs
Bit
a
is
lot.
like how happy person,
Yeah.
always happy. So let's
Oh,
go.
Chala, let's go.